What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing something very different. This is a game. It's a card game called Forza Horizon 3. It's one of my favorite games. And today we're gonna do 4 wheel spins, and if this gets 3 likes, just 3, then I'll do another one of one of these Forza Horizon 3 videos. So basically, wheel spins are just, it's a wheel spin, of course. You spin it and you get a prize, and let's see what we get today. Let's see our luck. And yeah, let's get started here. We're gonna open up 4 wheel spins today. So let's start. Ooh, I really want to win that. It's a Horizon Edition Mercedes C63. Oh, but I got a 75 grand or $75,000. I mean credits, which is not too bad. It's okay. It's okay. It's way better than other prices, like 20 grand, like 2 grand. Okay, let's spin again. Ooh, another Horizon Edition BMW M3. I could possibly win that, but nope. 20,000 it is. So far, not too bad, but not the best, of course. Okay, 663 Black Series. I must win that, and I did! Oh my goodness! Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series. This thing is a rare car. It's amazing. What? That's amazing. That's amazing. That's cool. That's cool. Let's spin our last one here. Ooh, Shelby GT500, it's not too bad. And we got, of course, $5,000. One of the worst prizes in the Horizon wheel spin. Yeah, well, I'm actually pretty happy with the results. That we got 75 grand, 20 grand, and then the car, the Mercedes, and the 5 grand. It's okay. Yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this quick little video of the wheel spins. See if I can buy another one. Nope, I can't buy. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for the support on my channel. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Like, please leave a like. And of course, 3 likes for another one of these videos, or another video on Horizon 3. Thank you so much for watching again. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this, more car content, more Minecraft contents, and maybe some, I'll take some suggestions from you guys, some video ideas, because I need some. Yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and goodbye.